guys, as a rice farmer, this is where I told you rice grows so well in this muddy clayish area. So one of our friends is harvesting. I felt it wise to come and help him out, as we also I also show you how to harvest, because our rice is not yet ready for harvesting. When it is ready, you guys will know. But I have to walk. We are supposed to start from the other side where you see people. That's where we are supposed to start from. But the whole place I have to walk through. You really need gumboots if you really want to be safe. Okay. See where I'm passing. Even as we are harvesting, it's not at the time of harvest that the water has dried up. No, we harvest in this kind of thing still. Yeah, so somewhere you can reach and the water level can really get inside the gumboot. But I want to be careful. You guys, I want to be careful not to sink into this mud. So after 3 months, my friend planted way earlier than us. So it is 3 months later that we have to come and harvest his rice. They have started already. That part is already harvested. So we are going to be harvesting this section. But the water in here, that's why it really needs a lot of help. So I have my ninjas here that I'm going to be working with. They have gloves. I told you, like last time when we were weeding, the rice leaves, they pierce the skin a lot. So you have to put on long sleeves. Like for him, he's putting on gloves. So we really have to work like a big family to make sure that we harvest this rice on time. Because working in this water alone is not easy. It is not easy. So you need a group of people to work with to help you out and cut down the time. This water here really looks deep. These gumboots are almost getting in me. I'm not going that side though. No. Okay? So guys, as you can see, we are all many. So some are going to be taking this route. As we are taking this route, then when we finish what is behind, we all face one side and continue the other side. Whoa. So what you have to do, you have to be stepping on where you see the steps, where you step, not in between. Okay?
Aya, muli watu sera kuchuma. Koba no koba ati guno lero mungi nti ayo inagwo.
Guys, these guys have speed. I told you this is my first season of growing rice. So I'm learning most of the things I'm learning by doing. But the speed these guys have is way high there. Hey, they will bend those backs for minutes and days.
Video ndi kologwange.
Kwatega kunanze nodi. Awati.
Iyi mutokire yo ira. Bai kubabona. Amna liri kola. Matenga liri kola. Omugeme kwangiri. Aikwa kusala kayuya.
Kati boots egenda kutoba. Oh.
agwire. Ayo baba kulimba mundu tamanya nti ono katemba ge.
Kazido. Guys, rice farm of the year. Guys, this water is so deep for me. And pulling out the gumboots, you need a lot of strength. Let me come where they are deep. It's shallow waters. That side I will not manage.
Oleka atirunana. Amna kambo haire sevo. Aye kamugema.
Kamkwara kwengalo.
Hizo bakabi. Washimoyo mkono oguvako. Akakusaza bulungi.
Kyetagisa n'osalira wansi awo salira awo otyo kuba kasobola okukwata omukono ne guvaako. Ebisebo zeena ndi Muganda.
Yabere Buganda.
Guys, did I show you that tool used is called a sickle? It is very sharp.
So you have to Simon ni atukireyo.
Let me show you. You have to hold up and you leave some space to cut because it is very sharp. It can cut off your hand. If you injure yourself, who is going to harvest your garden? So, be careful.
Bamwete subi. Bisiwa.
Even last time we told you guys to come with a long sleeves when we were going to weed rice, but I forgot. So most of them are putting on long sleeves. Again, I'm the only one in short and mini dress moreover. So I'll suffer my fate after harvesting. So maybe just to let you know, most cases, when one family, if their garden is ready, you help them harvest. When it's your turn, they'll come and help you harvest. So that is teamwork. You know, you can do a lot with teamwork other than being a one-man army. Okay.